Cheers. Good morning. I survived my first night in my van camping alone in the woods. I am at Amnicon Falls in Wisconsin, very close to Superior, Wisconsin. And it was in the 80s yesterday. And today I think it's only going to be in the high 40s, maybe 50s. Such a change. But I was expecting the 40s and 50s. So I was really surprised when it was 85 degrees when I got here yesterday. Having some coffee. I could feel the temperature dropping last night, and I'm still in bed. I have 2 wool blankets and 2 comforters. And I didn't need to put the propane heat on, and I didn't need to use my electric blanket. I was toasty warm. I think my temperature thing said it's 55 in here. So I'm good with all these blankets and a nice hot cup of coffee. I splurged and used my mini Cuisinart coffee maker. Instead of getting out the camp stove to boil water for coffee, to do a pour over. And it used a little electricity, but I still have like 81%, and that's running the refrigerator mostly. Is all that's doing, and the overhead lights and the fans, which I didn't need the fans. So far so good. I wasn't scared either. I was so afraid that there weren't going to be any people around, like no other campers, because when I looked online, it's like all the sites seemed to be available. So I thought, I don't want to be the only person out in the woods. But I was fine. I was fine. I'm cautious. I'm careful. I'm prepared, I think. And I was tired, so I slept. So I'm going to go enjoy this cup of coffee. And I do have the electric blanket on now. I'm going to read a little bit and just enjoy the toasty warm under the covers. And then I will pack up and head on. I'm going to stop in either Superior or Duluth, somewhere along Lake Superior, and enjoy the wondrous Lake Superior, and maybe find an agate or two. So I'll be back. Have a good day.